Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Credit Memo QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main homepage. Starting from the homepage helps you follow the process smoothly and makes it easier to find the transaction you want to remove. Once you are in QuickBooks, move your mouse over Sales in the left-hand navigation menu. You do not need to click right away if the menu expands when you hover. This section is where QuickBooks keeps customer-related activity, including sales records and related transactions. From there, click on Sales Transactions. This will take you to the area where you can review the list of recorded sales activity. If you have many entries, take a moment to look through the list carefully so you select the correct item. It is always a good idea to double-check before deleting anything, since deleting a transaction can affect your records. Next, look for the sample transaction or the specific credit memo you want to delete. Depending on your account, you may need to scan the list for the right date, customer, or amount. Go slowly here to avoid opening the wrong transaction. When you find the correct transaction, click View, Browse, Edit. This opens the full transaction details so you can make changes or remove it. Opening the detailed view is important because the delete option is not available directly from the list. After the transaction opens, scroll down toward the bottom of the screen and click More. This menu contains additional actions for the transaction. If you do not immediately see it, check near the lower part of the form before moving on. In the More menu, click Delete. This tells QuickBooks that you want to remove the credit memo from your records. At this stage, QuickBooks usually asks you to confirm the action, which helps prevent accidental deletion. Finally, click Delete again to confirm. Once confirmed, the credit memo will be removed. That's all there is to it. As a final tip, make sure you only delete a credit memo if you are certain it is no longer needed. If you are unsure, reviewing the transaction details first can help prevent mistakes. And after deletion, you may want to return to the sales transaction list to verify that the item no longer appears. This gives you a quick confirmation that the process was completed successfully.